Haga janmiat jong ar poi terik urum pang arja ar puar la penlongi ke jingalang jong kirang ba shnong ka Laitumkhrah pelun bat katanat Pulit jong ka Laitumkhrah police station bat la penlongi ke ni jingalang ban perkat bat ban treilang na ka benta ka bha ka miat jong ka shnong ka thau ha ka bay day ban pendunai ke jing dheng kali ha ka than ban pet lui ki nong song de madan ke jing jelai ke jing kerni drop bat kiwe.
And then they spoke about some major problems like hawkers and traffic and lack of street lights and lack of CCTV. So these are the major problems they have spoken about. So for surely we will take all these issues with major stakeholders. And this was one first of meeting. Next meeting we will have like all the students, all the colleges, all the NGOs, so that our main agenda, that is community policing, that is really like shaping now.
Haba kren bakilat pathai kuboru osi ka Laitumkhrah ula kuburu ya ka jing tlot ki nong syntiat ki Pulit ban yo ki jing tep batikna na kani ka daw ule thu bakin penlong ya kom kini ki jing yalang na kapor shakapor.
One of the major thing is that we are collection of intelligence. So I should admit, or I have to admit, that on intelligence front, yes, we are facing certain weaknesses. So that is why we will do continuous meeting with headmen, with schools, colleges, teachers, all the NGOs. So any kind of intelligence that has to be acted upon quickly. So for example, at the spot there is intelligence that there is a drug peddler frequently seen in area. So we will already be prepared. We will be with our witnesses, with our police force, and with all the action task forces. We will quickly pounce onto them. We will take all the procedural steps as per NDPS Act, and we will detain those persons. So this, based on intelligence plus swift action, I'm sure we would reduce this problem.